how to create a video for beginners. This is a really short video. It's about 4 minutes long. It'll be the best 4 or 5 minutes you spend if you're starting out as either an affiliate or you're just trying to get some, or you're in travel. I'm doing some stuff on travel. It's fantastic for travel. You've got hundreds and hundreds of photos and videos. You will save yourself hours, honestly, if you just spend a few minutes watching this video. I'm not going to do the Frank Kern technique and all these other things that say in a moment and in a moment, because just spend a few moments, watch to the end of this, and you'll see that by the end of this 4 or 5 minutes, I will have made a video from over 100 photographs and some videos. So let's get started. Hi, so I'm going to show you something really quickly here, which I have just learned, and I've been making videos with Canva and Vidnami and all sorts of different tools and PowerPoint. And you know what it's like, you download your videos and you download your pictures, and sometimes it takes forever. So if you go into your iPhotos, in this example, I'm using a Mac with my iPhone, but you can do it on any device I'm going to guess, but let's assume you've got an iPhone, you're using a Mac. You go into your iCloud, you select the pictures that you want to copy. There we go. And I'm doing Mull, which is a beautiful little island. And I'm going to go all the way down to, I've got thousands of photographs of Mull. So I'll come down to here. Now look how many photographs I've got here. Hundreds. Do you imagine how long that would take? I've got videos here as well. This is amazing. Watch this. So I'm going to download. Let's get this out of the way here. This will take a little while. So this bit takes a minute or two because I'm downloading all my stuff from iCloud. 251 photographs, including videos. Okay, so now I've imported all of the pictures that you saw me a minute ago. So I've taken them into photos, and then I am going to do my projects, slideshow, photos. So I'm going to call Mull. Here are all the photos I've just imported. Just going to grab them from, I'm going to actually select these because I don't want, I'm going to have all of these. And I'm going to do all of these. I'm just selecting the pictures that I want to use. Probably don't need the dog. Don't need that one again. I'm looking up and down here because there's some pictures that I'm expecting to see. This will do for now. Just and there we have our video. Now what you can do is you can take the music off, and what I do is I put it into iMovie and just added my own music. There you go. How fast was that? And then the very last step is I am now exporting it, and it's converting it to MP4. Then all I'll do is add my front thumbnail and upload it. It's absolutely amazing. I've made 5 videos today. So there you go. Perfect tip. If I find any more, I shall let you know. So subscribe, hit like, make a comment if you discover any great tools that we could all do with using to save some time. Hope you enjoyed that.